Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about my birthday presents I got this year. This cute kitten pen and this cute cuddly soft toy was a present from my mom's friend. It is very cute. It has a black t-shirt and a yellow face and very big eyes and some brown ears. This pen is also very good. It's very good for writing, and it's a black ink pen. This cute little, as you can see this cute little kitty cat. It's like a Japanese cartoon kitten. This cat, you can take out this cat's head also. But usually you can't put anything inside. So these two are the presents that my mom's friend gave me. Next is this great big loom band box that has many designs and a hook and the board and this awesome color pencils. This awesome color pencil too. There are silver and gold and much more other colors and pink. If you want to change the color, you just push one side, take it out, and can change it back and put. Yeah. So these two presents are one of my friends gave me. Her name was Tara. Yeah. So next was this. These three things is one of my friends gave me too. His name was Ethan. He gave me one very great water bottle and it has very funny words on it. Born to show off. Very funny, right? And you can hold it like this. It is a very good water bottle. Next he gave me were some color pens. There are a lot of colors inside. I have not opened it yet. Next is this, which I love the most. This one is a decorative tape. It's not correction tape. When you tape it on the paper, it has some cute pictures and words on it. How to open it? Push it here. And if you have something wrong here, easy. Push. You can see the word push here. Then you push down and pull it out. You see. Then you see here. I take it out and ta-da! You can fix the problem. Putting it back is also very easy. You can see. You see? Just like that and done. This is very nice. So these three things are my friend Ethan gave me. So next is these two things is my friend These two things my friend Justin gave me. He's a boy, but he knows I like Elsa. This is a diary that has a nice Elsa pen. And this diary has a locket, a very nice locket. And this book is very nice. He also gave me this wallet. The picture is Anna and Elsa skating. And as you can see, Olaf is over here. There are some interesting words here. Follow your heart. So these two my friend Justin gave me. Next was my friend's aunt gave me this, which is very awesome. And as you can see, the packet is very nice. Open it, you see like this. You think, what is this? It is not a toy. You open it like this. And you see over here, these things are bent. When you open it, it's a sunglass. Looks funny, right? Yeah, when you close it back, it's like a ladybug. This sunglass is very nice. It is very cool too. So this is my aunt gave me, my friend's aunt. Next will be this. This is a duck. See, it's a money bank, but you can draw things on it. You see, they say do drawing as you wish. You can draw anything on it, and it's pink. The duck's face is also very cute. Look at the eyes. It has a nice pearl necklace. So this present was my friend Pansuji gave me. There are also many other presents, but I was playing so crazily on my birthday until I do not know who gave me what. So I'm just going to show you. This is one of the presents I love the most because I love My Little Pony. And this is the pony that I love the most, Twilight Sparkle. Yeah, she looks like this in the cartoon. And she's a student of the Princess of the Ponyville. Then of the Pony Village. Then she also became one of the princess. She got wings and all those, you know. But did you know the pony princess was over 100 years old, but she's not queen. Her name was Princess Celestia. Funny, right? Look, it's so big. Yeah, but I don't know who gave it to me, so yeah. You can carry it. Next is... Wait, yeah? Nice. Okay. Next is this whippy clay box. You can make your own desserts, but they are fake. You can't eat it. This is fake cream. There's a cake. There's a cupcake. There's a macaron ring. There's a don't know what kind of food is this. I think it's a green mint mousse thing, and ice cream. I've done one already. I'll show you. They also let you make some. There are some pearls that you can put, and they also let you make a ring box. I'll show you. This is a ring box. It's very nice. See? See, it has a cute design. And this is the ring I made. It's quite messy though. You can take out the ring if you want and make something else. It's quite hard to do. You have to ask your mom to do it. Last year I got this for my birthday present. My dad gave me, and my mom helped me, so it was a little nice. This pen, I think it comes with something, but I forgot who gave me, so, and I don't know what is it with, so I don't know. I'm just going to show you this. See, it's a princess pen, a blue ink pen. Very nice, right? I always wanted it. Okay, I have a whole bag of these things too. Okay, this, I don't know who, is a Forever Friends book. So much. This piggy bank. And I think I'll stop showing already. It's too much. I will make a second part.